Hello viewers, apnian sabke swagat kuri ase NLTV digital news te. Ami listen la imchen khobor ektai naga chanai dia ase. Angami Students Union pra Assam Rifles IGAR North D block Kohima laga barbaric act upor mon kushi naba ekta statement likhikena Kohima Deputy Commissioner ke Sunday din phataishe. Union janaishe ki taikhan pra February 8, 2025 te press release ekta pra HSLC, HSSLC aro CBSE examinations homoy noise free environment banabole anurad kurishe. Hulibi union ke asurit kuri dikina Assam Rifles IGAR North juntu D block Kohima te ase taikhan pra umid nataka homoy dangor music bajaishe. Union koishe ki music kanto February 12 rati 10 baji atha tak bajaishe aro itu piche February 15 rati pra loigna February 16 puchor 12:08 tak bajaishe koishe inaga kura pra student ke bishi bia pra digdar dishe koina chanaishe Union pra aro koishe ki friends of the hill people kwa khan pra nuisance to the hill people koishe common sense aro intellectual sense nachula pra Idu karone Angami Students Union pra Assam Rifles laga authority ke juldi kadam lobby koishe kile mane idu pra students khan laga fet logode khili ase koishe exam thaga homoy inaga nakuribole aro bhal environment students community nimide banai rakhibole chanaishe Angami Students Union pra District Administration te bharosa aro umid rakhi ase koikna aza hisab action lobole umid janaishe. Idu khobor loigna news ete khatam kuri ase.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.